This is one side of a wild turkey breast.
Nice.
And I had it been marinating for over 24 hours with our poultry perfection. And right now, we're gonna make sandwiches. But at first, I got myself a cast iron, and we're gonna put it over direct heat. It's already preheated. Listen carefully. And we're just gonna let it sear. Flip it a couple of more times, and then we're gonna let it sit on the heat.
All right.
And just roast up.
Okay.
So this is wild turkey. I thought when you said wild turkey, it was like a quart bottle or something.
No.
This is the real thing.
This is the real thing, wild turkey.
Wow.
No, the grain part we'll deal with that later.
Yeah. Okay.
Cover her up.
Right.
Put the cover on.
Okay.
There you go. Perfect.
Grab that there, Joseph.
Cool. Beautiful.
Get out of the way. She's firmed up nice.
Smell it.
Give her a flip. Let that brown up a little bit more. Put her back on there. Oh, hang on one second. And a little bit of.
Oh, all right. Nice.
All right, now put it on there.
Alrighty.
Cover back on.
Put the cover back on.
Okay.
And there we go.
Sometimes we forget stuff.
And we're just going to add a little bit more beer. And just let it simmer in.
The smell of spice.
Break up all the goodness that's on the bottom of the cast iron. And we're good.
Right.
And we'll move it off the heat a little bit. We're good.
All right.
Close it up. We don't need the beer in there. Done. Alrighty. Let's get a look at this. Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect.
What a smell.
Take that off. And now we're just going to let it cool down a little enough so we can carve it. And there you go, folks. Perfect.
All right.
Wild turkey.
Wild turkey sandwiches coming up. Now we're going to add a little cheese to the top and let that melt in on it. Pepper jack.
The pepper jack. All right.
Perfect. Cover it back up.
Yep.
Let me drain it a little bit.
Get it on there. Yeah.
Look at that goodness. You guys ready?
All right. Let's do this.
Here's the. Always anchor your meat before you do any kind of cooking so it doesn't bounce around on you. A little carving.
toast it up. There you go. I'm gonna get in front of you, Chef, so just keep on slicing.
All right.
Now, you can set these up any way you want. I'm gonna set mine up with some good barbecue sauce. Right, choose your favorite. So, I mean, you could use mayo or a dressing, but this is perfect for the grill. All right. Now I'm gonna take my fingers right in front of you. Now I'm gonna put one slice there.
Pit privilege.
That works for me, right there. And let me grab a little. I'll get in front of you. You guys can eat what you want. But nice fresh garden tomato, which is now in season here. And I'm good right there. So I'm not waiting. I'm gonna eat.
Go ahead.
You guys can do what you want.
Go ahead. This is our award-winning sauce right here, folks.
Mm-hmm. The Brewer's Blend.
Number one.
Onion. Slice of mater. Cap that.
So good.
And
Oh.
Very good. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.
Yeah.
We'll
go.
say that after every video. They already know that. All right, thumbs up, man.
All
We love
right.
you.
Let's go. That was great.
good.